The last week for Bitcoin was absolute insane. We broke here the 20,000 US dollar market and now have seen very red candle about 28% to the downside in the last week of Bitcoin. And now the question is, what will we see now? Is this already the bottom and we can see higher prices to the upside, or will we lose more levels up to the downside and broke also up to 10,000 US dollars? So let us also look here at the weekly chart first, because here we see that we have in the last weeks overall only red candles, but also one green candle, but also a small candle. So we've seen here over the last weeks a drop to the downside from over 58% to the downside. Here when we see a little bit closer, we see 60% actually to the downside over the last 10 weeks, and that's absolutely crazy. From our all-time high at the November, we crashed also over 71% to the downside. Also, you can see in your portfolio is absolutely crashing down also at the altcoins. And now the question is, what will we happen now? When we here also have a look on the EMA, we see that we are broke the 200 EMA ribbon line, and it's also a very, very bad sign in the weekly chart for Bitcoin, because when we look a little bit back, we have seen here overall, if we touch the 200 EMA, we see a massive move to the upside. Here we can look, we're moving 200 EMA here at this side, and we are going up to the upside. Then we're crashing also down, testing the 200 EMA, and see the rally also to the upside. Then here we have our crash at 2018. We have this scenario, and we're moving from this crash from the 200 EMA to the next target over 250% to the upside, which is absolutely crazy. Then we have our Corona crash. Here we see it in 2020. I must a little bit zoom out that we see this right. Here we also had this crash to the 200 EMA, and then we see a rally up to the upside to our all-time high. And when we also have a look here on the percenting, you see we have crashing, yes, I think 80% to the downside at the Corona crash, and went then up to the upside from over 1,500% when we see at our all-time high at 69,000 US dollars. And now we have the scenario right now. We have crashing also to the downside, broke the 200 EMA ribbon to the downside, crashing over, I have shown you at the beginning, guys, at the video, over 71%. And here is the very important thing, that we broke now the EMA ribbon. So for us it's now extremely important that we have seen in the next 1 day and 8 hours a move to the upside for Bitcoin, finding support on our 200 EMA, maybe confusing like this here in the next weeks or months before we can see a move to the upside. If we don't move over the 200 EMA ribbon, I think it's also possible that we see lower prices and dropping also lower by the Bitcoin price. Because here we see, when we're looking also back to the past, zoom a little bit in, we have seen here our last all-time high at 2018. Now we are also broke this level from our all-time high, and now it's very important that we are holding here our support and moving to the upside. If we don't hold this line, we can also have a look where is our next support level, and our next support level would be here in this price target would be 16,000 US dollars, would actually to downsize, I think, yeah, 12% to the downsize. And in this area we must find support, otherwise it looks very, very bad for the Bitcoin in the next months and maybe also for the next half a year. So what I think also will we see now in the market, I think we will definitely get a move to the upside, finding support on the 200 EMA ribbon, and then I think we will start consolidation right here for, I think, for the next month before we can see a move up to the upside. And guys, if you also want to trade this move to the upside or to the downside, you can go under the last video or in this video under the video description. There you find a link up to BYBIT. There you get a bonus. So click this link, start trading, deposit some money, and also earn some grand profits. Also, you get a bonus link for Phemex. There you can also click this link and start your trading account. And also have a look back on the Bitcoin chart, because now we have a really, really good area to accumulate some more Bitcoins for investing in new Bitcoin projects. Because if you also don't have invest in cryptos right now is the best time ever, because the price is so low and we don't know if the price go up or is the price going down. But I think in the next few months, in the next years, we'll never see the Bitcoin price so low right now. So, and we also have a look on the RSI, because on the RSI we see some very, very good bullish moves, because we see here at the RSI that we are very, very low. And this time, or the last time, we have also see this area here. We can look also at the past. This was here. It was here at the Corona crash. And now we also at the same area like the last two moments we have seen this momentum coming up to the next months or next weeks. So for me it's definitely a very, very good sign that we find our bottom right now here at 90,000 US dollars. I don't think we will drop more lower, but I don't know what will happen with the Bitcoin, because I don't know the future. But in this technical analysis, it looks very, very good that we can see next more prices to the upside. Let us also have a look on Ethereum. And at Ethereum, we see also the same like the Bitcoin chart. Here you can also see that we're breaking the 200 EMA ribbon to the downside. Also the RSI, it's looking the same as Bitcoin. Also when you're looking up to other coins, it looks same like Bitcoin, because when Bitcoin is dropping down, all other coins are dropping down. When Bitcoin is rising up to the moon, also the altcoins are rising up to the moon. For Ethereum, we see a little crashy time. Here we broke under 1,000 US dollars. So that's for us also a magic number, because 1,000 US dollars is also, yes, very emotional line, also area for the Ethereum price. And also I think here that we have found also the bottom by Ethereum, because when we are looking also on the crash, we see here Ethereum is dropping also to 80% up to the downside. And now I think it's definitely time to find a bottom, to accumulate more coins, and then we can also see a rally up to the upside. And guys, it is also the end of this video. We have also a look on Ethereum right now, so definitely take advantage that you subscribe to the channel, to leave a like, and also activate the notification bell that you never miss out one of this video like this. And then we see in the next video tomorrow Bye bye.